In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a 4-pack of the Airtags. These are the Apple Airtags, and I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these things, but I highly recommend some Airtags for anyone that's like got devices they don't want to lose, whether it's like a set of keys, a wallet, or something like that, or even like a cat. I have one of these on a cat. And let me just show you exactly what you get when you order these. It looks like instructions, and that's got to be the tiniest wording I have ever seen in my life. That is small, and it's in Chinese and English, and it looks like you get a little separator card there. Last time they gave me a little sticker with it. I don't know if I got a sticker with these. Wow, look at that. Very nicely packaged. You can see how they're presented here. And to set one of these up, all you're going to do is get it like this, peel off the thing, and then as soon as you pull that, it should come on. Now, as soon as it comes on, you're going to get your phone, and as soon as I put my phone up next to it, it starts asking me to connect. Hit the connect button, and on this one, I'm going to put it as not keys, a wallet. So as soon as you do that, it has all your information, so I'm not going to show that. So you hit agree, and then that's it. Everybody, it is connected. That is connected. Let me show you what I'm doing with this wallet that has an AirTag spot on it. And you go in from the top right here, and the way you're going to do it, you're going to slide it down, and there's like a little pocket right there that you'll slide this down, and now that is connected. So now I have a way, if I leave my wallet somewhere, the phone will let me know right away that I'm leaving my wallet, because you can have, if you left it behind or something like that, or I could play a signal and have find my wallet on that. And I'm going to go ahead and put these on my keys and a couple other things around that I might have to track down, whether they get stolen or left somewhere or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Apple AirTag 4-pack. See you on the next video.